everybody's Toronto Guy here with another episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. This should be episode 91, so we're 9 weeks away or something from episode 100. Keep sending in, keep giving me your ideas of what to make on episode 100 so it'll be special. Just like this episode. As you can see, we got the Hall of Fame Freeman Bowl out, we got our eggs, we got a mixer, and we've got a Bundt pan. Bundt pan. Because today we are making a coconut cream Bundt cake. It's going to be tasty, fluffy, and awesome. Let's just get to it. We're going to start by greasing our Bundt pan. So I've got a thing of butter over here, all nice and softened. I'm going to take my little brush. There we go. And we're just going to grease it. Just grease. Grease is the word, baby. Love it. Just need to get it all nice and greased all around. There we go. Just like Bob Ross, baby. You know, this just a little devil and a happy little accidents. There we go. Nice little happy little, there we go, happy little smidgens all over here. There we go. Nice and greased up. Excellent. And in the middle as well. Don't forget the middle. There we go. There we go. Happy little devil did it. Devil. He does devil a lot. And to that, we're just going to take a little bit of flour, just a pinch. We're just going to like spread it around a little. There we go. There we go. Let's do, go, just hit it around. Try to coat the Bundt pan as best you can. There we go. Didn't get on the edges. You know, get the paintbrush back. And let's bring some of that flour up, man. It's got to join everybody. There. All right. It's going to be tasty. Coconut, baby. And cream cheese in a Bundt cake. Excellent. All right. Set this aside. The oven is preheating at 325. And now we're going to start in the Hall of Fame Freeman Bowl with some softened salted butter. This is nice and soft. This is what I just used to paint the thing with. Kept it out overnight. Now it's just soft and it's like, all right, let's do it, baby. Excellent. Gonna use 225 grams of cream cheese, also softened, nice and soft, all gooey. Excellent. And now we're gonna take our electric mixer, blend this all together until it's nice and blended together in our Hall of Fame Freeman Bowl. Toronto Guy is cooking, baking, sauteing, and masturbating. All right, let's go. Very good, nice and roughly mixed. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're still gonna bring in some stuff and go, speaking of which, we're gonna add our sugar. This is 3 cups of low-fat sugar. Toronto Guy, sugar's bad for you. You know what else is bad for you? Everything. So just go with life, man. Bloody hell. We're gonna mix this up until it's nice and fluffy, baby. Yeah. All right, now that is what I call fluffy. Oh, sugary, buttery, cream cheesy, and salty because we use salt butter. Now we're gonna add 6 eggs, one at a time, and mix. Because we gotta give it time to get to know each other. You can't just throw in a bunch of eggs and be like, hey man, let's all get along. One at a time. Get my knife. All right, this is how I crack eggs. I just get a knife. All right, move that aside. I have to get a knife and go, beep. I don't do the bowl thing because you can get shells all over the place. So I just, you know, let's go from this side. There we go. Be much more convenient, right? So just go like this, over, don't do it over the thing in case some shells get in there. Boom, boom. All right. There we go. There's one. Do it a blend. Excellent. Here comes egg number 2. Toronto Guy's cooking, baby. As I said, I've already been getting some suggestions. Send me more. Even if you've already sent me a suggestion for episode 100, send me more. There's like 9 weeks to go. All right, but as I said, make it reasonable. None of this, Toronto Guy, can you make some lobster with foie gras and truffles? Just something reasonable, all right? That you haven't seen on Toronto Guy Cooks, that you like to see him. Hey, if you found a recipe, he's like, and you're like, I don't know if this recipe will work. You know what? I'll make Toronto Guy the guinea pig. I'll be the guinea pig. Just make it reasonable. All right, let's mix more eggs. right. So here we go. 6 eggs. See, this takes time, but time when you're not wasting it, like for example, pissing and moaning at the world that you have no control over. When you're making good use of your time, it's all good. Egg number 3. All right. Oh, I love it. It looks all creamy and perfectly smooth. Now you might be, if you're gonna make this yourself, whatever. Ha! You'd probably be at this point and be like, oh, but it's just too friggin' moist for baking. We haven't even added the flour yet. We got a bunch of flour to add. For now, we're done with our mixer and our eggs, so let's get rid of them. And now it's time for more dry ingredients. We're gonna start with our little bit of baking powder. There we go, just about a teaspoon. And we're gonna use 3 cups of flour. There we go. And the remaining. See, now this is gonna make it less moist. Well, not as moist, but just moist enough to do everything. We're gonna use our spatula to mix this all up. Love it. Ooh, look at the puffiness. You know what that means? You don't make puffy mistakes, you're a failure in life. All right. Remember when I said I was done with the mixer? I lied. All right. Tastes like stuff. It's got stuff all over it, man. Let's just go like this. There we go. Excellent. All right, and now we've got 2 lovely cups of coconut. This is gonna be so tasty. I just want to look at it. There we go. Excellent. Now this we're gonna just mix with our spatula. Very good. All right. Toronto guy's cooking and baking up a storm. Doing stuff with his crazy life, which all of you clowns should be doing. All right. Let's give it a nice mix until well mixed. And then finally, we're gonna add some coconut extract. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon. There we go. You could have, of course, done this before mixing all that stuff up, but it's still gonna be mixed. Smells like a beach. Coconutty. Excellent. Let's give it all a nice mix up. It's gonna be so good. Cream cheese and coconut. Great combination, baby. Love it. All right. Everything looks well mixed. Oh, can I just taste it real quick? Just a little lick. Oh, this is gonna be freaking awesome. All right, we got our Bundt to pan, all greased and floured. Let's scoop all this in there. I hope it's gonna fit in here. Yeah. All right, I want to get as much as possible, man. This is gonna be so good. Oh, this is great. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. Oh my God, so good. Let's flatten it all out and make it nice and even. Oh, I can't tell you how good that friggin' tastes, man. Damn, coconut and cream cheese, amazing, just amazing. There we go, even it all out as best you can. All right. And as it cooks, of course, it's gonna get all, I mean, the main thing, we're gonna flip this over, obviously. It's gonna be all designy and fancy looking on the top with its wavies, but still I want it to be nice and, you know, flat enough here on the bottom. There, that was good, right? Oh my God, I can't, seriously, man. Whew. All right. Oh my God, that's good. All right. 325. 1 hour, 20 minutes, give or take. Because you want the toothpick to go in and come out cleanly. Let's put it in right now. seriously, that is so good. I mean, just eat the batter alone, man. Damn. All right, 1 hour and 20. There. So after an hour and 20 minutes, we'll be back. We're gonna take it out, make sure it's all good, assuming it's gonna be all good. We'll let it cool in the Bundt pan for about 10 minutes before taking it out. And then we're gonna let it cool completely and cut and taste, take the picture and end the video. But we're gonna go to the point where we take it out just to look at it and check on it, make sure everything's good right now. Look at me singing with my oven puppet, yeah. Yeah, all right. All right, it's been an hour and 20 minutes. It smells freaking awesome in here. It smells like cream cheese and coconut and loveliness. So let's take out our Bundt cake. Oh, all right. Oh. Is in frame it is. Let me get a toothpick. Of course, I don't know how the heck this toothpick is going to get all the way down through there, so we'll just stick it in as much as we can. In and out clean. Be patted on its bum. All right, turn off the light. It smells so freaking good. All right, we're going to let this cool in the pan for 10 minutes. There we go. And in 10 minutes, we're going to take it out by flipping it over, put it onto a rack to cool, and we'll go from there. But for now, let's go to 10 minutes from now. Smells amazing because I am an alright, amazing cook. Right on. It's been 10 minutes. Smells awesome. And I took a knife, a long knife, put that through one of the cracks here because the toothpick is just this big. The friggin' Bundt cake is like this. So I put the knife through there and it still came out clean, so it should all be good. We take our lovely little rack. I'm gonna flip this thing over. Still hot, be careful. I am, after all, certified professional, certified legit licensed food handler, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's do this and flip it on over. Here we go. And let's carefully just remove the little lid. I said remove the little lid. I said remove the little lid. All right. Probably should have used Pam cooking spray or something. Let's get something to kind of release it from the edges. And hopefully this won't fridge it all up. All right, just don't want to go. Just do it, like, give it some at certain spots. Don't have to go all the way around. There we go. The knife is going nice and through, so it's not cutting off the edges. And just try to unglue it from wherever it's glued, you know? There we go. There we go. Should have used Pam. Should have used Pam. Pam. All right, now let's flip it over. And remove it. There we go. Holy shit. Hopefully it all came out clean. Oh! All right, lovely, soft. I just want to touch it and go like this and like this and like this. It's nice and soft and spongy and I can smell the cream cheese. Why am I talking while the water's running in the Bundt pan? All right, now we're gonna let this cool completely. I'm gonna give it about maybe 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go live stream on my Twitch with some awesome games, and then we'll be back after that. It looks so lovely. And I mean, it looks dark out here, but on the insides, it's got that nice bright color. So it's gonna look awesome, dark on the outside and bright on the inside. What I'd like to do as well is maybe sprinkle some coconut shavings on top of it. Either way, we'll be back in about 2.5 hours. All right, so it has been about 2 hours and half and 30s, 2.5 Anyway, it's been this person upstairs in the face. It's been about 2.5 hours. It's nice and cool. Look at me picking up with my hands. Right on. So now we're gonna cut it up, see how it looks, see how it tastes, take the picture. So let's bring our thing over, our wooden thing. There we go. Okie dokie. Our lovely Miracle Blade fillet knife. And let's get in there. Oh, go. Goes right through nicely. I'm not the biggest, best slicer person, but what you're gonna do. All right, see how it looks inside. It looks perfect and lovely. Oh, fluffy and let's give it a taste. Oh, I'm the best around. Nobody can ever take me down. Let's put this aside. Gotta cut more pieces for a picture. All right, get these crumbs and eat them. First, we'll eat more cotton. Okay. All right. Oh man, that's so good, man. All right, you crumb bits, you need to be hidden. All right, be hidden in my belly. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do something about these crumbs. We're gonna eat them. There we go. Let's make it look all pretty. Let's put this one in front. Throw that one in front. And there we go. All right. As usual, you all are selfish with your hard-earned money. The lighting does no justice for how awesome this looks and how awesome it tastes. So we'll take a picture and insert it right here. And there you have it, kids. An amazing, just assault on the senses, coconut cream Bundt cake, Bundt thing, cake, bread, whatever. The bottom line is it tastes amazing. Oh, smells amazing when you made it. Still smells amazing here. This is my dessert for the whole week. This has been Toronto Guy Cooks, Cooking Up a Storm. This has been episode 91, I believe. Put more suggestions down in the comments of what to make for episode 100, the milestone. We might have dancing girls and boobs and who knows what's going to be on that episode. Or it could just be another simple episode. I don't know. Do you? I guess we'll see. We'll see you next time.